Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to set screen color back to normal. As you can see, my screen color is not normal right now, but how you can reverse it back to normal. So let me show you. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility. From here you will see vision enhancement option. Tap on it and here you will see there are multiple options. From here tap on color correction and disable this. From here you can see our screen is still not in normal color. To do that, go to color filter and turn it off. Now as you can see, our screen color is now normal as usual. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.